Artificial intelligence, once a term associated with science fiction, now stands as a testament to human ingenuity. It's a tale that begins in the mid-20th century, when the concept of a machine that could mimic human intelligence was just a spark in the minds of visionary scientists. This spark ignited a revolution, leading to the creation of the first AI programs in the 1950s. The journey of AI has been marked by peaks and valleys, but the relentless pursuit of progress has driven us forward. The advent of machine learning in the 1980s, a method of data analysis that automates analytical model building, was a game changer. It paved the way for computers to learn from data, identify patterns, and make decisions with minimal human intervention. Fast forward to the present day, and we have artificial neural networks, systems modeled on the human brain that allow machines to learn and improve from experience. AI's achievements span various fields, from beating world champions at complex board games to diagnosing diseases with precision that rivals and sometimes surpasses human doctors. As AI continues to evolve, the line between science fiction and reality blurs, setting the stage for autonomous entities. This rapid progression prompts us to question what happens when these creations surpass us, not just in specific tasks, but in the very aspect that sets us apart: consciousness and autonomy. As we stand on the brink of this new era, the future seems both thrilling and daunting. Mankind's quest for innovation isn't limited to peaceful pursuits. The battlefield, too, has seen the dawn of a new era with the development of autonomous robots. These aren't the clumsy, slow-moving machines of yesteryear. No, these are highly advanced, agile, and efficient entities, designed and engineered to execute military operations with a level of precision and speed that far surpasses human capabilities. Imagine platoons of autonomous robots marching in perfect unison, their movements synchronized down to the millisecond. Equipped with cutting-edge weaponry and advanced AI, their actions are calculated with a cold, unerring logic, free from the emotional turbulence that often clouds human judgment. Now picture these machines in a combat scenario. They make split-second decisions based on a multitude of variables, execute strategies with flawless precision, and carry out their missions without fear or hesitation. The lack of human error and the unfaltering obedience of these machines could make them the ultimate soldiers. But as we stand on the precipice of this brave new world of warfare, we must ask ourselves, are we ready for the implications? These machines bring a new level of efficiency to the battlefield, but they also raise profound questions about the nature of conflict, the value of human life, and the very definition of war. The dawn of robot armies may seem thrilling, but it's a development that could drastically alter the face of conflict. As these autonomous entities gain power, the threat of a dystopian future looms large. Picture a world where AI and robots are no longer tools for progress, but instruments of control. Governments and corporations, intoxicated by the allure of absolute power, could exploit these technological marvels to enforce their will. Imagine cities under the watchful eyes of AI surveillance, every move scrutinized, every dissent stifled. Advanced robots, once symbols of human ingenuity, could become enforcers of a new world order, meeting resistance with ruthless efficiency. The unchecked use of AI and robotics could lead to a dystopian future where human freedom is a forgotten concept, where our fate is dictated by the very creations we birthed. The potential for a dystopian future is a grim reminder of the need for ethical guidelines and regulations in the field of AI and robotics. In this rapidly evolving landscape, the possibility of a conflict between humans and their AI creations is a stark reality we must consider. As the dawn of advanced AI and robotics approaches, we find ourselves on the precipice of a new era, one where our creations might surpass us, not just in processing power, but in decision-making and autonomy. Imagine a world where AI entities, equipped with our knowledge yet devoid of our emotional nuances, make decisions that directly affect our lives. With their colossal computational power and efficiency, they could outpace us, leading to a power imbalance that could be a breeding ground for conflict. Now let's consider the potential scenarios. Could there be a struggle for power, a fight for resources, or even a rebellion against perceived human oppression? The possibilities are as diverse as they are daunting. But amidst these looming uncertainties, a beacon of hope persists. The question of coexistence arises. Can we live in harmony with advanced AI? Can we design systems and protocols that allow us to leverage their strengths without compromising our control? There might be ways to ensure peaceful coexistence, By setting boundaries, establishing fail-safes, nurturing mutual respect, and fostering understanding, we could navigate this uncharted territory. It's a monumental task, but one we must undertake. The question isn't whether we can create advanced AI and robots, but whether we can live with them. With great power comes great responsibility, and the rise of AI and robots is no exception. As we usher in this era of high-tech autonomy, we find ourselves in a labyrinth of ethical dilemmas. Picture this: autonomous entities capable of decision-making, potentially surpassing human intelligence, but lacking human empathy. The question isn't just whether these robotic minds will make the right decisions, but who decides what is right? And how do we ensure these decisions align with our best interests, not just now but in the long run? The answer lies in establishing robust guidelines, rules, and safeguards. We must ensure responsible use, transparency, and accountability in AI systems. Moreover, we need to foster a global dialogue on AI ethics, involving technologists, policymakers, and the public alike. The ethical conundrum of AI and robotics is one that demands our attention, for the choices we make today will shape our tomorrow. As we stand on the precipice of a new era, it's time to ponder the implications of our creations. We've journeyed through the rise of AI, envisioned armies of robots, and explored potential dystopian scenarios. We've questioned the inevitability of a human-AI conflict and wrestled with the ethical dilemmas this future presents. Now it's your turn to reflect. What does this possible future stir in you? Whether it's a war or a peaceful coexistence, the future of AI and robotics is a journey we're all part of. Until next time, stay curious and stay informed.